Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to bring you a detailed review of the Samsung 75-inch DU7200 series Crystal UHD 4K Smart Tizen TV, the 2024 model. You can check the link below for this at the best price. This TV is designed to deliver an exceptional viewing experience with its advanced features and stunning display. The Samsung DU7200 features a sleek, modern design with ultra-thin bezels that maximize the screen real estate. Its slim profile and elegant stand make it a stylish centerpiece for any living room, and the impressive build quality gives it a premium feel. The highlight of this TV is its massive 75-inch Crystal UHD display, boasting a resolution of 3840 x 2160 for incredibly sharp and detailed images. The Crystal UHD technology enhances color accuracy and brightness, providing vibrant and lifelike colors, and HDR support, including HDR10+, ensures that both the brightest and darkest scenes look realistic and engaging. One of the standout features of this model is its smart capabilities powered by Tizen OS. The intuitive and user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate through your favorite apps and services. With access to a wide range of streaming platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and Disney+, personalized recommendations based on your viewing habits make it easy to find something interesting to watch. The Samsung DU7200 supports voice control with built-in Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to search for content, control TV settings, and manage smart home devices with simple voice commands, adding a layer of convenience to your viewing experience. The audio performance of the Samsung DU7200 is impressive thanks to its adaptive sound feature, which analyzes the content you're watching and automatically adjusts the audio settings for the best possible sound experience. Dolby Digital Plus support enhances audio quality, making dialogues clearer and effects more impactful. Connectivity options include multiple HDMI and USB ports, Ethernet, optical audio output, and Bluetooth, ensuring compatibility with all your devices, from gaming consoles to soundbars. For gamers, the Samsung DU7200 includes features like low input lag mode and auto low latency mode, LLM, providing a more responsive gaming experience and making it a great choice for next-gen gaming consoles. Setting up the Samsung 75 Class DU7200 series Crystal UHD 4K Smart Tizen TV is straightforward and hassle-free, with a detailed user manual and the Samsung SmartThings app to guide you through the installation process. The TV can be wall-mounted or placed on a stand, depending on your preference. In conclusion, the Samsung 75 Class DU7200 series Crystal UHD 4K Smart Tizen TV is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment system. With its sleek design, advanced features, and exceptional audio and video quality, this TV is sure to impress. Whether you're a movie enthusiast, a gamer, or someone who loves streaming content, the Samsung DU7200 has something to offer for everyone. If you're in the market for a new TV, I highly recommend checking out the Samsung 75 Class DU7200 series. It's packed with features that deliver an immersive and high-quality viewing experience, making it a worthy addition to your home theater setup. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.